Question number 6. Find the length of sides of a square whose area is 441 meters square. Here solution. Here area of a square, it is 441 meters square. Now how will you find area of a square? Its formula is side square. Side square, it is 441. Remove this square. The side equal to, if you remove the square, you have to take square root of 441. Now let us find out the square root of 441. Make PS from right hand side. How many times it will go? 2 times. 2 to is 4. Subtract it. What will you get? 0. Bring the second pair. It is 41. Now 2 plus 2. It is 4. How many times it will go? 1 times. Multiply it. You will get 41. Subtract it. You will get 0. Therefore, the square root of 441 equal to 21. So side equal to square root of 441, that is 21. Therefore length of side of a square equal to 21 meter. Now come to the next question. Question number 7. In a right triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree. So see A part. Here AB, it is 6 centimeter. BC equal to 8 centimeter. So let us draw a right angle triangle. A, B and C, it is right angled at B. Here AB is 6 centimeter. This is 6 centimeter. And BC, it is 8 centimeter. This is 8 centimeter. So by using Pythagoras theorem, here in right triangle ABC, hypotenuse square equal to perpendicular square plus base square by Pythagoras theorem. Here what is hypotenuse? AC. Here AC square equal to perpendicular, it is AB, and base, it is BC. Here AC square equal to AB is 6, that is 6 square plus BC, it is 8, it is 80 square, or AC square equal to square of 6, it is 36, and the square of 8, it is 64. AC square equal to 36 plus 64, it is 100. AC equal to, if you remove the square, on the right hand side you have to take a square root. AC equal to square root of 100 is 10. It is 10 centimeter. This is your answer. Now come to B part. Here AC, it is 13 centimeter, and BC equal to 5 centimeter. You have to find out AB. Here, this is your right angle triangle. ABC, right angle at B. Here, AC is 13 centimeter and BC is 5 centimeter. You have to find out AB. In right triangle, ABC, hypotenuse square
equal to
perpendicular square plus base square by Pythagoras theorem. Here hypotenuse is AC. AC square equal to perpendicular is AB. AB square plus base, it is BC. BC square. Here AC is 13. Put the value of AC. It is 13 square. AB you have to find out. BC is 5. It is 5 square. What is the square of 13? It is 169 equal to AB square plus square of 5. It is 25. Bring 25 on left hand side. It will be 169 minus 25 equal to AB square, or 144 equal to AB square. AB equal to, if you remove the square, you have to take the square root of other side, that is 144. AB equal to square root of 144 is 12. So 12 centimeter. This is your answer. Now come to next question. Question number 8. A gardener has 1000 plants. He wants to plant these in such a way that the number of rows and the number of columns remain same. Find the minimum number of plants he needs more for this. Solution: total plants, it is 1000. Here let number of rows equal to x and number of columns equal to x. Therefore, according to statement, x into x equal to 1000 or x square equal to 1000 or x is equal to, if you remove the square sign, you have to take square root of 1000. So let us find out the square root of 1000. Make pairs from right hand side. Now how many times it will go? 3 times. 3 3 is 9. Subtract 8. What will you get? 1. Bring second pair. 00, it is 100. Now 3 plus 3, it is 6. Now how many times it will go? 1 times. It is 61. Subtract 8. What will you get? 39. It means 1000 is not a perfect square. Therefore, we have to find out least number to be added. We have to find out least number to be added. Therefore, least number to be added equal to, what is the next perfect square? It is 32. It will be 32 square minus 1000. What is the square of 32? It is 1024 minus 1000, that is 24. Therefore, the required number it is 1000 plus 24, that is 1024. The gardener required 24 more plants. Now come to next question. Question number 9. There are 500 children in a school. For a PT drill, they have to stand in such a manner that the number of rows is equal to number of columns. How many children would be left out in this arrangement? To see solution. Here number of children equal to 500. Let number of rows equal to x, and number of columns equal to x. According to statement, x into x equal to 500. For x square equal to 500, or x is equal to, if you remove the square, you have to take square root of 500. Let us find out square root of 500. Make pairs from right hand side. How many times it will go? 2 times. 2 to the 4. Subtract it. You will get 5 minus 4 1. Bring the second pair. It is 0 0. Now 2 plus 2. It is 4. Now how many times it will go? 2 times. 2 to the 4. 2 4 the 8. Subtract it. You will get 16. It means 500 is not a perfect square. To make it a perfect square, we have to find out least number to be subtracted. Therefore, least number to be subtracted, it is 16. Therefore, required number it is 484. So number of children left out equal to 16. This is your answer. Thank you.